Hey friends, who's hungry? Warm and nostalgic old-fashioned baked apples made with tender apples, cinnamon, and brown sugar is a simple, comforting fall dessert. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Core and slice 4 Granny Smith apples. For softer apples, be sure to remove the peels as well. For firmer apples, leave the peels on like I've done here. In a large bowl, measure 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1/4 cup of chopped pecans, 1/4 cup of raisins, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. Toss the apples until they are evenly coated with the sugar mixture. Coat an 8 by 8 inch baking dish with a light coating of cooking spray. Pour the apple mixture into the prepared baking dish and spread evenly. Pour 1/4 cup of apple cider or water over the top to help create a syrupy sauce as it bakes. Cover the dish loosely with foil and bake for 30 minutes. Remove the foil, then bake uncovered for another 30 minutes or until the apples are tender and bubbling. Stir the apples gently before serving to coat in the cooking liquid. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.